5, I could lay him on the road. Body full of buzz, leave a tongue tied. Put him in a bus, try to turn him into tone.
Shit just stuck in that cage, stick right through me, through my face. Not that by Everest, not my sin. I'm sticking that pin down, popping off leash. Okay, that's blasphemy, Jesus. Now with that intel, that's treason. You switch your colors in the back to hide. You change like the seasons. I call that up and down, took it like a parasite. Suck it down, think it like a leech, alright. Fucking up, come out, time I get it, I get it, and I'm getting, I'm on a delete a terabyte. Fight all day so strange, don't blend it, all separate. The tempo, I can't relate. Delay, erased all the pages. Ain't no way to see black roses on the screen. Got me feeling so lost, strapped to guillotines. Away with these black roses on the screen. Got me feeling so lost, strapped to guillotines.
Razor in the skin of anybody, feel a body turn into a ghost. Stopping away with a bat full of bows. Left in the dirt, now sever the soul. I've been alone. See, I be stepping on coast, follow the road. So I'm a day away, hop in the boat. Waiting for rain at the end of the coast now. Pulling for a thing, I need a minute. Take a hollow body and I'm leaving with an out of pocket. Watching for a hollow tip. I hit a skull and stopping from another trip. Need a cuddle this dead weight. No stainless blade in that next grave. Leave for time to make headway. No breathing down in this dead space.
Place him silence, take his body, keep it fitted on me, back and beg his balls. Spider walking out the cellar, I pop through his window, return to a ghost. Let him out full of enemy, safe for nobody. I lock him up, rip at his teeth for the gold. Straight round the block when I came 40 shot him up, pop at the cup and the Glock to your skull. I got calibers on me, I target his swamp till he cough him. I caught him, I back in my hands, zero pockets. I'm a god when I'm arming up, walk at the mall with the game to your mask to a target. Skeleton closet, I'm talking to shadows off and all up to me.